Imagine a world where this man goes live. Yes, there we go. I know audio's working. I had the stream open. Anyway, let's see. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? I need to set up Discord and whatever. Uh, let me check. Do I have filters on my mic? I don't. Good. Good. I do need to mute a few tabs. There. It's been a while. I've taken a break from streaming. I just wasn't feeling it for a while. But now I'm back here. I want to get some stuff done again. Go enable streamer mode in Discord. Oh, I need to ping the Discord as well. Yes. Let me. So I need to edit my about me. Hello. Profiles. And streamer mode. There we go. Yippee. Anyway. That's there. Now I ping the Discord. True. It was a good break though. I just chilled, worked a bit on some other stuff, but not that much honestly. And yeah, I don't know. Chilled slash had a mini depression arc. pick pick the one that you like the most. But yeah, I feel like I'm back though. And yesterday I couldn't put a stream in, or actually didn't have the thought of streaming yet. Yesterday evening I decided like, damn, I should stream again. And then I just decided to do that. And I can close Twitch there, and I can check that I'm not leaking anything, and then switch over to desktop capture. There we go. I still have. There we go. There we go. Yeah, procrastinated. That's part of it. So let's first of all let's check what's up with fight chat control. And what I remember, like this happened again, but I think the Danish presidency was like pushing forward still or something. Like even if they didn't get like a majority, they're still like, nah, let's just fucking go forward or something. I don't remember. But it was something cringe. I don't think we're competition, or at least I'm not trying to compete with her. Anyway, so before that, I did some off-stream mining, you know, as the Minecraft YouTubers would say, and I merged my master branch into the mesh rendering branch, and yeah. I actually haven't tested if this runs yet, but it should run. It should run. Actually, I think I will take this away for now. I don't. Because there isn't really anything to do about it right now. If I'm wrong, then let me know. Oh, could not compile. Okay, we'll fix that. 5014. Let's make you expect a vector 2. This vector 2 is now a type. I didn't have vector 2s for a while, but then I don't remember what it was. But oh yeah, I was doing some skirt stuff. Yep. Because I was handling the horizontal velocity on its own. Having a vector 2 was useful for that. Anyway. Well, technically this should work already. Oh. Oh, it doesn't? Oh, we can't index into it because I'm dumb. That's fine. Let's also get that going and then fix the error. Epic fixing. Oh. Here we go. Now it actually compiles. But I know we will not get anything on the screen because the mesh rendering is still broken. Which is not good. But hopefully during this stream I'll get to fix it. So let's make this go on the other half. And this is on the other half. That's great. I love having a lightweight like dev setup. No fucking VS Code that it's just garbage. I know hate if you use VS Code. I just personally don't like writing code in what is essentially a web browser and is a bit laggy. It's like, no thank you. And there's all like all the code suggestion shits also. Like if it was instant, sure. But it's just everything just taking a little while to appear. At least that's how I remember it. It's just does it? No way. Like okay, what do you mean by chat window? This has to be bait. This has to be bait. You have to be baiting me. No, no way. Is it actually? I uh I have to know. Uh see. Okay, how can I okay. Interesting. Ay ay ay. Yeah, well, they want people to use AI, and it's they definitely do, even though it's not free for them in terms of computation. I mean, in general, cloud stuff isn't, but AI is especially not free. It's curious, curious. What do you think their long-term plan is for that? Because they're just losing money. I also just realized that them losing money doesn't mean that it'll necessarily go away fast, because even YouTube just fucking loses money all the time. If bubble go pop, investors lose money, I think. But I think AI is burning money faster than YouTube has been doing, maybe? Maybe. Anyway. What do we... What did I leave on here? Okay, so... Okay. I meant to do matrix transformations on CPU, just so I can debug. So I have no idea where the triangles are landing. That's awesome. Let me think. There's a bunch of stuff that's not used anymore. Okay, let's end it here. So, this is trying to create some debug triangles, basically. Alright. I think I know what I will try. Let's just fucking fill a large area. Fuck it. That should take a bit. And while it's filling, well, I have my cursor trapped, so I actually can't use my cursor. That's awesome. Do we call these obstructed functions at all, is the question. Yeah, I don't think we do. Nice. Maybe 500 is like a too big of an area. Oh, I'll quit it. I'll leave my cursor free this time. Command fill issued. Yay! So... What? Oh, because I set the things at the world origin. Okay. Wait, unknown command fill? What do you mean unknown command fill? Huh? Am I smoking something? Hello? Oh, I have fucking caps lock on. Oh, okay, well that's something to fix. I don't render, yeah, okay. Good to know. Good to know. I'll need to fix the commands then. That's pretty funny. Just make the entire string into lower. Or it's this kind of a thing. Uh, is this the fucking correct syntax? Nope. Oh. What does it give us? What is the type of this? Let's do the classic UA check. And it gives us a string. Yes. Alright, that's kind of to be expected. Also, why are we passing this as a fucking string? Like STR. What the fuck? What are we smoking? Console string? But why is it a U? No, 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 not a UA, but string. Option string. It should be a string, but then. Uh, okay, so apparently if we borrow the string, it's not a string, well, a fucking STR. That's interesting. Okay. Because I realized I could just do this outside of the console. Let's do that. It'll be slightly easier. Or I don't think the capital letters should matter at all. Look it. Oh, that works. That is the simplest change that I can make. And everything works. Yippee! Now I can teleport even if I have caps lock on. I need the fill. Bam! Let's go! Let's hopefully get anything on the screen. Is this still too large of a fill? No way. Oh, there we go. Yeah, we indeed do not see anything. So I'll have to do the thing that I marked as a to-do for myself in the console. how to take the model position, and then we'll take the view projection matrix and multiply that by the model position. Let's go. Mm, 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 mm. Here we are making Le Matrix. Yep. So this is for remeshing. Are we actually doing that? Well, I would assume this is some spam from remeshing. Yeah. X chords. Where do we print this? Do I love having a... Oh, actually, oh, I'm stupid. It is actually those text chords that I'm printing. Okay. This is lined up with the edge of the terminal. Yeah, how many prints do I have here? Okay, not that many that are just this. Or do we do it here? We do it here, okay. Mesh world. Okay. Well, I can disable this so we don't spam ourselves too much. And do a thing where we print some stuff here. Okay. Remember always, when in doubt, print. So what do we get from Mesh World? We get a vec of vertices. And if we do this, we should just get each vertex printed out line by line. But it wants this to be a borrowed thing, that's fine. Also, I want to switch to a world that's a bit smaller, so we don't have this much going on. I think I'll do that by disabling the printing. What? Did it still try to do that? Or where am I printing? Hello? Oh, is it because I filled the fucking log cube in there? God damn. Well, let's just go into saves and delete that. I should load an empty world. Yep. There we go. Now we have 2 blocks in the entire fucking world. Everything should be fine. Yippee. Nice. And now we just get some amount of print here. Okay. Still printing out the chunk positions, but that's fine. Let's see. So have each vertex here. And now what is the error that this gives us? Okay, camera matrix not found. Where's our camera matrix? Oh, it's in this fucking different scope. Peak programming, you may not like it, but this is it. To sneak the variable out of the scope. Let's go. Okay. Now we have F3216, or return out multiplied with this, and it's not happy about that. Okay, so how do you actually get that matrix? Build camera matrix, what are you doing? High colors matrix to LMAO. Okay. CG math. I guess what I'll do is return the thingy and also the original matrix. Can I type? There we go. Oh, and it, yeah, has to be F32. Oh, yep. That's fine. Do that. I'm gonna go to 5017. Okay, now we're sneaking out the matrix for real. That's good. But I'll have to take the position out of the vertex. And then at this. Okay, so this is just that. Can I just do that? 0.3 then? Okay. This is terrible, but this is for debugging, so I don't care. What? We don't have a z constant? What do you mean? That's oh. Rum, hello. Welcome in. What if I make this vector 3 instead? No, still no. But this is a CG math matrix. Okay, let's open the docs. And let's do style. With style. Let's just build offline documentation. Why not? U3. That's awesome. It's awesome. It's awesome though. Like you can just do stuff by deciding to do it. It's amazing. Gonna enable JavaScript here. And CG math. There you go. And this is all local files from the generated documentation. This is awesome. Anyway, okay. Now what can you be multiplied with? A vector 4. Oh. Yes, I have to make it into a vector 4. Okay. Imagine the documentation being helpful. And this could be 1.0. Yippee! Oh shit. Nice. More ROM streams? Let's go. And then we do transformed vertex. I'm gonna do a neat little arrow here. Or maybe I'll do like a tab character, arrow, and then tab character, and then the other position. Yes. Let's see it. Yeah, it's amazing that you started just a while back. Like, I don't know. Because usually you kind of see people in their engraved habits, like they've been doing something for a while, and then they're gonna keep doing it and whatever. But with you, I got to see you start streaming, right? I guess there's been some other people also who started streaming. Like Bunny has started streaming now. But I haven't been as active in that process. Or with Bunny in general. It's strange. It's strange. I don't know. I feel like some people saw you start streaming and saw that you're doing relatively well and then went, oh wait, you can just do that? You can do that? I I believe that. Okay, so we don't rebuild the fucking mesh ever again. Bro. Let's just make a command for this. Or do we already have this? Let's see, show triggers, volume, TP, look, distance, store boss. Blah, blah, blah. I love that we have the math test here still. Set block fill curve, blah, 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 blah. Hold on. Why is set block not doing the thing then? Well, there's a rebuild octree. I could use that probably. Okay. Oh, wait. There's a fucking triangle. Huh? What is this? Who are you? Who do you work for? What the hell? Why are you so fucked up? This is me moving forward and backward. And this is me trying to look to the sides. This is me moving to the sides. What is up with you? Okay, so there's some triangles. True. Okay. It has 0, 0, 0, and then it's getting fucked up. Let's relaunch the game. Let's not move the mouse. Okay, so now we have some vertices again, and we don't need this open anymore. And we're looking straight forward, and our vertices are getting changed. Wait. Damn. Dude. Your parents calling you a social media influencer. I hope that's in good faith and not like a jab. How's my little social media influencer doing? True. Ay. I'm assuming it's in good faith. That's just a funny thought. Let's see. Okay. Why is this fucked up? Well, let's first of all make the mesh not fucked up. Yeah, because we're making the triangles big, right? Let's make him big in a different way. I've decided. What if I do this? What will it look like? I can no longer see anything. The 0 position is still the same. Okay, so that doesn't change. Oh. Hmm. Let's just make this triangle smaller for now. Okay. Dude, why is this so... Why is the Z so big? Is it because our character has height? Okay, so we just half this. I need command history. No, it's still like -6. What if I go a bit higher up? Like -5. If I go to the side, it gets a bit smaller, but this is like voodoo. Just change it. Just do yourself a favor. Just change the fucking language. Right now. Do it. Do it. Anyway, why matrix is wrong? Where do I build my matrix? There we go. No. Wait, does it actually say chat instead of send a message? Oh no, you mean that button. Okay, okay. So it's probably had a VST and then chat. God damn. Okay. What? Collab? On my first stream back? What the fuck? There we go. I was gonna have to reject you. But then you cancelled it. Are you actually gonna go live now? Is the question. Because this is... Rum sent me like the Twitch collab thing. Whatever. She just clicked it. Damn. Yeah, no, I wouldn't collab right now. I would... If I just want to say the thought, even if you're not trying to collab, it's like I will likely not get these triangles correct this stream, even if I focus. And if I don't focus, it's certainly not happening. What are these numbers? Why are we... Why is everything so fucked? So I'm going further up, and then the triangles are going like fucking into infinity and beyond for some reason. What the hell? Damn. I'm trying to minimize the numbers right now. See if there's like a point where I can see something. But probably not. Alright, let's try one other axis then, and hope that that's the one. I also haven't tried the negative axis yet. Okay, so for context, if these numbers are all between 0 and 1, then it's within the view space. So this 3D point is like almost. Well, actually, wait, hold on. These are still 3D points. Oh, yeah, no, because everything's 3D when it goes to the fucking GPU. Yep. So this is in the view space, almost. It's not quite. Are there any numbers within the view space? No, literally everything's out. Okay. Well, technically, we could still render something if this is our game window and a triangle like starts here and goes here, so it just intersects the view space. That's also fine. Like if we had something like this. But we don't have that. I just have no fucking idea what the matrix math is basically doing, which is awesome. I'm gonna pretend that I didn't look at chat just now. uh, Damn. I'm like trying to think how could I mix Tsundere and your name together for a new nickname. Sunpana? Yes. Yes. Or Ruidere. I like how if one doesn't have context of your stream like VTuber PNG tuber avatar, Tunpana Bolskin, it just sounds really inappropriate. I have to say. Without the context, that's quite the message. Anyway, switch those around. It's always the fucking Z that's crazy. What the fuck? Why? We're at 0. We are at 0. We are at 0. Why is the Z so fucking large? What are we doing here? What the fuck? Huh? So I assume these numbers have to be the same, right? I'm just flailing like a fucking fish right now. I never on the break took the time to actually try and learn vector math. So, and this is what I get for that. This is what I get. My own personalized hell once again. What if we don't do any multiplication there? Is that just the issue? Oh, the numbers are still fucked. I don't think I had an idea when I did this, which is awesome. At least I have this fucking print down. Right. Oh, oh, I think what cleared this talking about is that if you show your face, then it's hard to take that away from the internet. But Rom already had their face on the TikToks anyway, so XD. Alright, let's fucking learn about matrix multiplication. That's like the thing that I'm missing. I've been here before. Dude, my strat for a while was just to wait for my math classes to catch up and be like, yo, this is what matrix multiplications are. But let's see. I love how the dark mode is kind of fucking me up. There we go. I can do that. Yep, this is what we're doing. But we're just like this doesn't seem that bad, you know? Like we take the numbers on the columns and we just actually what the fuck is happening here? That's a good question. Okay. I like this representation better. One. What? Okay, so it's not. I'll allow it. Let's see. So we're doing some fucking addition bullshit here? That's interesting. Hmm. I don't think I'm gonna absorb this. I'm kind of looking at it and going like, uh-huh. Do I have any other way of doing this without understanding the fucking fundamentals? Let's go. I just want the triangles on the screen. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Let me think. Alright, well, we had some instances where some stuff was being rendered, so let's make the fucking triangles big again. And I'm gonna do a funny thing. First of all, I need to know if the things are accurate at all. Oh, there we go. Now we have the large triangles here. The movement doesn't really make sense. I think the first thing that I should do is make the movement make sense. Like moving to the sides and moving. Well, actually, does this make sense? Maybe. Well, no. Turning the camera does not make sense. This is me moving the mouse in the one direction all the time. And this is definitely not correct. At least I think so. Okay. Let's see. I wonder which triangles are we seeing here? Oh. Actually, that affects the fucking triangles as well. Let's go. Okay, so now we have just one triangle. Just making this a bit simpler. Oh, so even the triangle that was supposed to be like way far into the distance is like rendering at 0, 0, 0. That's interesting. Okay. And now we see that this negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So all of these kind of just the coordinates are kind of fucked, is the point. Going a bit further away from the triangle. Does not like that. I can go up. Okay, going up and down makes sense. I can see the bottom of the triangle here. And I can go up and I can see the top of the triangle. That's awesome. It's just stretched as hell. Which I guess makes sense. Since we are adding a ton to the Y position. We're also adding a ton to the Z, but that's not really shown here. And if I go here, then it's... no. Let's just not add to the Z, and let's see what that does. We can't see anything. Why is that? Okay. Let's see what we actually use for up and down. What the hell? I'm definitely better at math than speaking Russian, I can say that, because I can't speak Russian at all. Because we can't see the fucking triangle at all if we do that. That's awesome. Let's try increasing the X instead. Oh yeah. Oh, the triangle exists on this plane now. I still can't like look around in a meaningful way. Well, this makes sense. It does make sense. We can make a very wide triangle by doing this. Okay, so the coordinates are correct. We just cannot look around. That's the current issue. Okay, I should make the player be at 000 when we start. Now let's do -1. So we will be at the correct position to start with. That's interesting. I can't see it anymore. What if I don't make it bigger now? Since we have the player precisely at 0. Oh, what do I mean? I'm gonna have to make it a bit bigger. Pinch. I can't see it. Maybe I'm trying to look side to side, and then it does this. Which is not correct. But at least I have a consistent setup to get something on the screen. Alright. Let's change it around. Build camera matrix. We go here once again. Let's change that and hope that this magically works. Okay, now looking up and down makes a bit more sense. Oh, nice. Automo just caught another one of those fucking spam bots. Smiling base Bali Ertdod Kiv. Best viewers hidden.com hidden and then some fucking character spam. That's awesome. I don't think looking side to side should do this. Looking up and down makes sense, but looking side to side does not make sense. Let me look at the triangle. I mean, I can also look at it like this. We should have something that extends 10 upwards and then 10 to the side. And this is not it. Like trying to make sense of this. Anyway. Let's just fuck around with these and hope that it works. Smile. Third language? Technically Swedish, I guess. But really not good at it. Smile. Oh. I saw a bigger triangle there for a moment, but the movement is still very fucked. We actually run this again, and you know what command is it to change the speed? Almost like I should have a help command. Oh, no clip speed, okay. So if I move to the side, it fucking curves everything. Nah. I'll do it when I feel confident in my speaking abilities, and that's not yet. The fuck is going on here? This is like very disorienting for me. If I go forward, I can get it bigger. But how do I get it down? This is me, not me turning the camera. This is just me moving around, by the way. I feel like I'm almost seeing the entire fucking triangle or something. But if I turn the camera, it's completely fucked. I wonder what our like our clip planes or something did fucking this up. Okay, let's. I can say that this is definitely supposed to be like the edge of the triangle, right? But it's getting clipped. Why is this getting clipped? This is also the edge of the texture. Like if I go into source, no, okay, here. Like I have, this is the A, right? This is very clearly the A. It's not anything else. It's not a 1. It's not this. It's not a 7. It's an A. And this is the fucking front edge of the triangle. And it's getting clipped. Well, now it's no longer getting clipped. But it's just, it just does not want to be looked at for some reason. Why does this not want to be perceived? I'm guessing it's because of the depth. Uh, wonder what the fucking rules for clipping here is. Like, how far forward or back does it have to be before it gets clipped? Let me do something funny. Alright. Oh, and I can't see anything. Lol, 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 lol. Lol, 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 lol. And if I have it one, I can see, right? Right? It's not completely broken now for no reason. Oh, I probably just didn't move the camera just now. No, I just can't see what that's. This is changing the scale of the coordinates, basically. Pa, pa, pa. Let's try a different one. Oh. This makes a bit more sense. Okay. Let's change this back. Oh, I lost the triangle. But now the horizontal movement of the mouse actually like makes sense. Like it turned this way, and I would expect that to turn that way. Moving up and down. Oh. Okay, this doesn't make sense anymore. Or am I just really close to the triangle? I guess I am. If I move up and down, it's also... What the fuck? Okay. Why are we clipping? Holy fuck, that's driving me insane. You can very clearly see... Okay. I think I'm building a better mental model of the issue. Like, I should be able to see the triangle, but for some reason, like, we're just rendering only a part of it. No fucking clue why. Right? It's amazing. Amazing. Like, if I had... Let's say that I'm viewing the triangle at, like, an angle like this. Right? Like, this is our triangle that we're seeing. Actually, it's a bit incorrect. So the one vertex would be there, one is, like, somewhere here, one is, like, somewhere here. This is, like, the triangle that we should be seeing. And this is, see what our screen is like. I think our screen is something like this. So we should be seeing this here, right? But instead, we are rendering this. Like, this is the area that we render. And I have no fucking clue why this and this is not being rendered. Like, hello? I guess it could be that this is too close, so it's getting clipped, and this is too far away, so it's getting clipped. How do I adjust the far and near planes? Is that like a thing that I can do somewhere? Do I fucking, or are they just like +1 and -1, and I just have to do math better in order to do that? Like WGPU just goes, Skelly, sure, Fucking hell. I guess it could make sense. No, wait. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Also, can I, like, real quick, I want to complain about websites. We have all this dead space here, all this dead space here, and then we have a fucking horizontal scroll bar here. How does this make sense? Can someone tell me? Like, why are we doing this? Like, I'm not insane, and this is just stupid, right? Just extend this to the fucking side. Holy fuck. Can I... Can I change the CS system on the fly? I should be able to. What do you mean, just don't do it? Oh, don't code in general, you mean? No, I don't think so. Oh, look at that! I can just increase the fucking width. Let's go. I can make the website better. Yes. Oh, it's 69. We landed on 69. Let's go. But does this look bad? This doesn't look bad, right? Like, we just have a bit more space. And now you can actually read the code without fucking having to scroll sideways. Amazing technology. Right? Like, it's so much better. It's so much better. Yeah, that's fine, but extend these, right? Like, I don't care if the CSS is hard. Just make it so these fucking code blocks extend beyond, right? Like, surely you can do that. Where the text is centered and then the blocks kind of just extend to the left and to the right. Right? Ay, ay, ay. If I start embedding code into my own website, I will do it correctly. And if I don't, I don't know. Remind me to do it. Smile. Anyway. And now we'll have to scroll anyway because I'm only giving half the screen to this. Okay, build camera matrix. Let's go back there. I have a surge of energy because I feel like I'm somewhat close to maybe figuring this out. Okay, so I just ignored using the projection matrix. I think I might need that. It might be a thing that you need. I wonder if I need this though. Okay, what is there now? Oh, I don't have these things here. Let's see. For why? Let's just put 90 here. Put 1 here. Z near. 0. Yeah. Z far 100. Yeah. Oh. The near played distance cannot be below 0. Found 0. Well, it's not below 0. Maybe. I also like how that could be a compile time check, but it's not. I just saw a fucking. Boy, we. We have a triangle. What the fuck? Let's go. That was the fucking raw reaction to seeing a triangle on the screen. What the fuck? You have no idea. Holy fuck. When did I start this branch? $3 months ago? Okay. 3 months ago I started this fucking branch. Arigatou gozaimasu! Not the cleanest, but I tried. Okay, and me fucking turning my mouse, this is still fucked. Alright. Like trying to turn left and right just fucking spins the view. And this is me going forward and backwards. Not entirely correct. This is me going side to side. The triangle is menacing. And this is up and down. Okay, let's restart this so I can be at 0, 0. What direction did I go to see it? Oh, okay, there we go. Let's I need to rebuild Doctrine. Let's go! There's a bunch more triangles. Dude, what is this? Or why are they so silly? What is going on? Like, it's like a house shape or something. Oh, if I turn around then the direction that each thing corresponds to changes. Okay, that's fucked up. Uh so now we have this. True. Hello, Gecker. Welcome in. It's I don't know if you heard my fucking brain neurons is going off when I got the first triangle to show. Okay, maybe okay. I should fix the directions. Maybe if I do this. What is happening? Okay, so looking left and right kind of makes sense, but looking up and down does not make sense. This is still very, very fucked. Oh. I love that when I started the game there's a bunch of NaN vectors. That's awesome. That is not gonna render. Very interesting that these are still like the. Oh, I see. I was about to say that it's interesting that these coordinates are still like beyond the -1 to 1 range, but they also have this scalar number at the end, which makes complete fucking sense. So these are being scaled. Like this number, for example, is being scaled down by 29. 29. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, I want the camera to turn properly. There's not that many combinations of these vectors that I can make, so surely I'll get the camera turning. So fucked. Wait, let me get back. Okay. This is so strange. It's so strange. Also, I should commit. I really fucking should commit. Because I got a triangle on the screen. Blim blum blum. Do this. Let's do this. There's a bunch of stuff here. Some stuff that I didn't commit, which is this. This is fine. And I can cherry pick. Wait, huh? Is it only push commits that I can cherry pick? I don't believe that. Hello. Why can I not cherry pick this commit? Huh? Just take away the feature from me. Why not? I just want to have this on main. Bruh. Okay, sure. I won't do it then. What the fuck is this? Oh, I've been trying to do some more cooking. Then I can just discard everything. But I wasn't doing anything with the projection matrix even here. So I can... That stash never existed. Anyway. What if I try to load a real map? Oh, we're gonna print too much, but that's fine. I saw something for a moment. Okay, but this is still... Blim, blum, bloom. Where did I pull these matrices? I think I copied this from the ray tracing stuff. But I'm thinking this must be incorrect somehow. Also, by the way, to the people in Discord, um, get yourself the fucking stream plans role, right? It's rarely pinged, but if I take a break and then I come back, I will ping the stream plans role before the stream, right? Like a day before or something like that. Right? It's a high value role to have, I would say. Stream notif is reserved for just when I'm going live. And at everyone, I don't know. We'll see when I will ever ping that. Do we actually need this? Oh, we don't have that. We're good. It does not fix our camera issue, so I don't care about that. Okay. But I had to check, you know, if that fixed everything, then it would have been funny. True. It's so true. It's so fucking true. Like, well, I don't know. I find it annoying to receive pings like that for no reason, so I won't do it to others. That's my philosophy. I just cannot turn. Okay, let's just try all the combinations, I guess. And go insane. Yeah, well, it is technically better for the streamer to just ping everyone and be annoying. Yeah, but suppress at everyone. Like, you still get the fucking red number, right? you will still get it. I hate that thing, right? I don't care about the no, you will still get it. I'm pretty fucking sure. Let's see. Notification settings. At least it used to be like that. But we'll see. True. Are my angles just like somehow incorrect? Like, what is this expecting? And what am I giving it? I feel like this is the most correct configuration so far. It might be that the matrix is still fucked. And that's my real problem. I'm gonna change the far plane and see what that does. Oh, okay. So now things are extra fucked. We actually do want the far plane to be very big. We do want that. I don't think changing the near plane will do anything. Okay. I went somewhere. So, like, ideally, when I move my mouse left, the view should fucking pan to the left. And this should go behind me eventually, and then come back in front when I do a fucking full circle. But that's just not happening. We're just doing this. Like, what is this? Okay, so that got changed at some point. Like the at everyone suppression. Alright, good to know though. I thought it was still broken. Okay, what do we do with the camera? It's so we're looping it like this, but I don't think this is the issue. Let's just not clamp the Y for now. And see if we can do something funny with that. No, this also just fucking goes in circles. What the fuck? What if it just... Did we just not do sin and sin and cosine here? Like, okay, sure. Or maybe I just have to use even more CG math and just trust the library and not try to do the matrix math myself. Because I might be going like halfway with using the library. Also, my mouse is fucking complaining about battery. I need to get it charging. I think that's the issue. So I love it that platforms like Discord change, and then they don't actually tell users about the most useful changes. Or maybe some update log mentioned that. Oh, so if I turn now, like I can almost do it, but then it like snaps back. Oh, I see. I think. Okay, let's just fucking call it a tutorial instead of trying to invent our own shit, I guess. Oh, wait, whose server are you complaining about? Is it Bunny? I'm curious. Are you complaining about Bunny's server? Damn. No, I think you gave enough of identifying information for me to be pretty confident about that. Okay, so we're just not gonna do this. Wait, we are doing look at RH. What are we what? Self to target. What is self to target? Oh, I see what I'm doing. So basically what I wanted to do is just cast a ray in front of the camera, take that position, and da 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 da, like use that as the target that we're looking at. That actually makes sense. That makes sense. Let's just look at the origin, I guess. I feel like this shouldn't work, but we'll see. I guess the projection matrix could take care of everything. No, we cannot look around. And that's kind of what I expected. Okay, how does this code take that into account? Hello? Oh, do we turn anywhere here? Okay, so this should still be correct. Now that I understand what this is doing. This is our camera position. This is where we're trying to look. I guess we should be doing this. We can't do that. We can't do that. Points can't be added together. But if I just do point plus the actual vector. Okay, that works. Oh, we can look around. You have no idea how long I've been waiting for this. Holy fuck. I can actually move around. I can see the fucking shit. And this is like, hold on. Look how fucking fast. Well, actually, no. It's not that impressive. Like, it's pretty instant even with the whatchamacallit, the Octree stuff. But these are like the maps. You know, they're just not completely correct right now. Right? This is like this is the map that it actually is currently in the preview. Right? Now hold on, load pink one maybe. And now this is this map. You can maybe see the resemblance. Like we're on the straight there now. We're going here. And now we're going the narrow bridge and then the jump pads, whatever. And onto the finish block. From there. This is actually great that I have the thing fucking running all the time. Where am I? Okay. I'm gonna be here though. This is like the best one to see. Yeah, anyway. That's great. Let's make it so we are doing just now. Yeah, so next up I do want to just fucking like render the blocks like they are supposed to be rendered. So we do 2 triangles per face, and then we just do it. Just do it, lol. And we'll see. I'll probably get some alternative way of representing the data so that, yeah, I don't know. Like we can get started on the fucking triangle optimization bonanza. So this doesn't have to be committed away. There we go. Let's do a cargo format. Yep. Okay, I did not expect to do this. I seriously didn't. Also, I do want to commit everything here. I did not expect to get the triangle rendering to where I have anything sensible, like close to sensible, showing on the screen, right? And this is something where I took like a few months break from working on this game because I was like, damn, this issue is so fucking annoying. And now I'm back. I solved the most annoying thing ever. And I can actually start working on the thing now. Holy fuck. That is amazing. But Claire, you see, you're a web dev, right? So it's like you chose the path that you're on. I could say you could say the same about me, you know, like choosing to go engineless. And that's also true. I chose this path, right? So I actually oh shit. Oh wait, Android dev? Oh, what are you doing? No. Oh shit. Wait, what's annoying about system dev? Oh. Okay. Well, what are you trying to do? Like, give me more details. Well, the no docs, no support is, yeah, it's bad. That is. I take back what I said. I feel for you. That's like that's some hero activity. IBM server. Okay. Is it the server that you got for cheap or for free from somewhere? And now you're paying with your time instead? Is that what's happening? Oh. Did you have a reason for updating it, or did you just fuck around and find out? Oof. Oof, oof, oof. Also, Rom, if you're still here, if you're here, you can just tell the person that's pinging at everyone that you find it annoying. Smile. I feel like that is a valid strategy. And and I think I'm done for the stream, right? Like I got the fucking triangle showing. I do not have the fucking energy to now get the blocks rendering correctly. Like just like this is a huge fucking thing removed from my way. And yeah, holy fuck. Oof. Blair, good luck. I'm gonna see if there's someone we can raid. Don't worry. The, this is it's just not, okay? It's just not. Maybe like the fear near and far planes are fucked up or something. That could be it. But it's like I can tweak this stuff to work. No. It's I get what you're saying. Oh, also Dohankai. Hello. I I just now registered your presence. But yeah. So let's see. Yeah, though I gotta show Dula what is the end result of the stream. So we have oh wait, do we not oh we do clamp the rotation, but it's a bit fucked. That's interesting. Well, anyway, we have things rendering, right? This is like sort of the map that you are seeing in the preview. You know, we're just rendering a triangle for each block, right? The scale is wrong, the texture is wrong, and you know the triangle just faces one way, so it's all sorts of fucked. But we have triangles rendering, right? Which is good. It's very good, very good. And everything is being committed. Everything is code. You know. Let's see. Oh, there's not a lot of people on doing stuff. I have no idea what jellyfin is. It's no. Oh shit. I like the vibe of this. Alright, we're gonna go here. Oh, I gotta remember to do all my stream stuff. There we go. The outro. How could I forget? You can find the stream always at nearpage.com/stream. You can find all the VODs, even this, archived. Currently on YouTube. nearpage.com/stream/archive. Well, we can go there. We can go there. Just give me the fucking name. Give me the name. Or is it just that? I think you put a space bar in that. I will rate the person you want. If you just give me the fucking Twitch handle. Uh, how can I make you give me the Twitch handle? I'll fucking just find them on Twitch myself. Fuck you. Okay, there we go. Wheel! Hello. I'm just hopping off. You barely... Okay, well, I can't go off because Twill is here, right? I'm just gonna show what we achieved, and then we can do the raid. But, we have things rendering with triangles. It's, very interesting. But, yeah. This is great. It's, I had some projection matrix issues, but no longer. Oh, also, yep. Ay, ay, ay. Too bad. We're gonna go to the Fox. We're going to the Fox. You weren't streaming yet, and I just want to hop off and go chill. But yeah, I hope you all have the fucking Tunpana. Yeah, goodbye. You see all the links. XD. Hello. What am I saying? Okay, goodbye. Bye bye.